Hello guys. Today we are learning what is overflow in Java. We have already learnt about Java widening and Java narrowing. In Java widening, I am repeating here what is Java widening. Converting integer value to float value. Is called Java widening. Example, integer, if we have 10 or 100, which is storing inside a variable, and if we want 100.0 output, and if we want 100.0 output, then during this time we need to convert this value to float value. We have already seen the example, and today also I will show you. So here, what is narrowing? Simply I will tell you how to convert this one into float. Integer a variable equal to 100 I am storing. If you want to convert this in float value, float variable a, sorry, already we have taken variable b is equal to a, simply because a has integer data type and integer value of 100, and we are converting directly to float value, so the output will come, the output will be 100.0. But in narrowing, we are doing typecasting here. We are doing typecasting. How? Integer value of a is 90. Float directly, if we convert a, we will get, no, this is wrong. From int to float is not we are converting here. From float to int we are converting. Int we are converting. Reverse. Float to int we are converting. Here int to float. Okay. here reverse float to int. Suppose our value is, suppose we have float value of 100.0f. If we want to convert this value to integer, then we are doing typecasting here. Typecasting. How? Float x is equal to, I will take another example, 90f integer of y is equal to, typecasting here float, then x. The output will be s system.out.println of y is only. But here the output of system system.out.println of x is the output is 90.0. If we take 90.5, the output will be 90.5. But after converting to integer, it is only 90. Like this we have seen. Okay. Now, what is Java? What is Java overflow method? Overflow. Here we are converting integer value to bytecode. You know what is bytecode? Bytecode is -124 to +124 bit. Example 000 001 0101, like this the bytecode will be there. Okay, how to convert this? How to convert integer value to bytecode? Simply we need to typecast here. If we have an example, of integer variable a is equal to 20. So what is the output of 20 is, we will check in practical. But before that we have to convert. We have to convert to byte by using typecasting. We have taken example 20, then here byte b is equal to byte of a. 20 we will see in practical. Go to Java programming, source, basic Java programs. Here I will take one Java class, Overflow. Now we'll finish. Okay, here I will take one main method. I will take one main method, public static void main string array arguments, curly bracket open, curly bracket. See, whatever we are mentioning here, if we are taking any variables, we are mentioning any variables inside main method is called local variables. Inside class, inside main method, or inside any method, if we are taking any variable, a is the variable and integer is the data type and 20 is the integer value that I am storing inside a variable. This is called local variable. A is called. Okay, so again, now what we need to do is we need to convert integer value to byte code, because we are learning overflow in Java. Simply byte b is equal to, here b is variable name and typecasting. Otherwise, if I type here compile time error, we will get commenting compile time error we will get, because see here, change the type b to int, because byte is different variable and integer is different variable. So if we typecast here with byte, then the error will go. If I simply remove this one, the error will come here. See this underline. If we type here byte, it is called typecasting, and simply I will print both system dot out dot print ln of, first I will print integer value before converting to bytecode.